The reason people break down in life is because they think the things that they want and have is their final destination or end goal. Work, car, houses, name tag, job titles, relationships, family, friends, social status. They think these things are the end goal. A commitment to life to help every man, woman and child. To be remembered for making a difference to humanity in 1,000 years, teaching thousands to teach millions, to save billions. Viewer's question for today: I have lost so many things and I can't get over it. How do I get back up again? If the things people want and have is their final destination or end goal, they invest their whole life in achieving these. So when they lose it, they break down and most people don't recover. Because to them this was the end goal, this was the reason of their life. There was no higher purpose. This is why people can't get back up again. But this is not the end goal or your final destination. You are not meant to achieve the final goal here on earth. Life is not made for that. You will get what you want and cherish the most, but whatever that is, you will lose it, because everything you get and give and attain is all a test. Whatever you have in life will come one day, and one day it will leave. If you think this is your end goal and once you have what you want, you will feel like you have succeeded and achieved whatever you wanted in life. You will think that it has made you successful and it brings you happiness and joy and contentment in the heart and soul. But this is only the beginning, because like Apple, like Tesla, Microsoft and Amazon, they never stop, they keep going. When they started, they wanted freedom and money, and even after they have achieved to be the best in the world, they carried on. Because the end goal changed. They want something else now. The end goal is heaven and always has been. You just forgot about it. But if the job is your end goal, and when you do lose your job, it will break you because you lost your end goal. If your end goal is heaven and you lose your job, it will bring you down, but you will have the power to bring yourself back up again very quickly, because you have a higher purpose in life. Life is always about losing and gaining. It's built this way. If you can't get over what happens in the past and it weighs heavy on your shoulders, it means you have to change your perspective on life. Life is not these things and positions. This is not your end goal. Change your end goal to heaven, and this will change your perspective on things. When you lose the things, or when things don't go your way, it's okay. Life is just shifting you to where you are supposed to be, even if you cannot see it. Life can see it and it's taking you there. Things happen to people and it shifts them completely off their path, and they feel lost in life, and once they finally pick themselves back up, they're on a different path, and every time they find themselves thankful for having that pain in life that knocked them off their course to bring them to a new path. Sometimes you end up on the same path, but with better prospects and visions and opportunities. So no matter what happens in life, it's happened for a reason, and you will eventually come to know the why, and sometimes it takes a few years. If your end goal is beyond everyday life and what you want in life, then it will always outweigh the traumas in your life, and this will carry you on.